WinRV, a device and method for mixing fluid. Functions such as air compressor. Test 1. In this video we show that the amount of air that is sucked by the fluid mixing device, WinRV, and injected into the water is so high that it condenses the air. A tank that is vacuum has an input that the fluid mixing device, WinRV, is installed there. An outlet in the lower part of the tank to bring out the water that enters the tank, and an outlet in the top of the tank to exit the air where the rubber balloon is installed. The balloon wall thickness is 1 mm and air can be compacted only by the wind compressor. Water hose connects to the WinRV device mounted on input at the tank. When water passes through the device, it will suction the air and insert combination of the water and air into the tank. The water and air composition enters the tank, exits the bottom of the water tank, and the air is dense inside the balloon. The air inside the balloon is so much that if the flow of the composition of the water and air is not stopped in the tank, the balloon explodes.